Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a tune-up on my 93 Del Sol. I went to go for a ride because I'm currently under quarantine and I was bored. And it started misfiring. Well, I pulled my spark plug wires up. And these two were about halfway full of oil. I done sucked up all the oil. So now we gotta replace the spark plugs because they're bad looking and the valve cover gasket. What happens is there's little O-rings that go around here underneath the valve cover, and it's supposed to keep your spark plug tubes dry of oil. But when they get bad, then it starts getting oil down there. You can see all the oil on my finger. So I'm hoping this takes care of the problem. It's definitely not going to make it any worse, so we're going to go ahead and pull the valve cover off. In order to do that, there's a hose that goes right here. Then you got your 4 nuts. Remove your ground wire, and you pop your little washers up. There's a rubber grommet underneath them. I'm gonna say that's where a lot of my oils come from too. See a gasket right here? So go ahead and pull the old gasket out, throw it to the side. Get you a screwdriver and you can pop out these other ones. Just like that. That's what those are. That's what seals your spark plug tubes up. Go ahead and wipe it out real good. Alright, everything's all cleaned up now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the new gasket in. Here's the part number. I got it from an Advance. I think it was almost 40 bucks. You gotta be careful because some of these only come with this. The cheaper ones don't come with all this. You get your 4 spark plug tube gaskets, I guess you call them. Then your washers for underneath the nuts. I go on top of it with the new rubber grommets. I didn't know it came with that, but that's pretty cool. So these have little bumps. I don't know if you can make that out or not. See it right there? So they should stay in place. So make sure you push down on them pretty hard. Alright, what I like to do now, I got all the gasket put in there, flip it upside down, give it a little shake test. If the gasket don't pop out, then you should be good. If it does pop out, then you should probably put some silicone in a couple spots so this way it don't fold over like it was before. Alright, now you're going to be very careful when you're setting this down in place that you don't roll the gasket over. This hose right here might be a pain. Okay, it's sat down. Now, the best thing to do is grab a flashlight and give a quick look under it. Make sure you can see the gasket everywhere. Okay, it looks pretty good. Now grab your new washer things, put down on there. Might have to wiggle around a little bit to get it centered up. Don't forget to put your ground back on. Then go ahead and start your nuts. So these nuts get torqued at 84 inch-pounds, which is about 7 foot-pounds. All those are tight. Now we just gotta do spark plugs. Your spark plugs get torqued at 156 inch-pounds, which is about 13 foot-pounds. I'm using NGK V-Power. They're kind of cheap. They're like $4 a piece. But they're a lot better than those auto lights that came out of it. Well, sounds a lot better. So now I'm gonna go on a test drive and see how it does. I'll get back with you guys when I'm done. I just got back from a pretty long drive and I don't see any fresh oil and it runs pretty good. It don't cut out anymore. I should record what it was doing so you guys saw it. That's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. If you got any questions, comment. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. Catch you guys next time.